Hey guys, last week, my mom gave me back my old iPad, which I already forgot my password, so it's locked for sure. No worries for me, because I know how to unlock any iPad without the password. If you want to unlock it too, here's what you can do. Method 1. Get into a locked iPad without the password from the lock screen. So if your device already meets the following conditions, ensure your iPad is running iOS 15.2 or later, and your iPad can connect to a network. Sign in with your Apple ID, and you have the ID password. And, as we tested before, your Find My has to be opened. Then you can unlock it right from the home screen. Grab your iPad, enter those wrong passcodes until the Forget Passcode option appears. Then, tap on Erase iPad and confirm by entering the Apple ID password associated with your iPad. The process of erasing kicks off immediately. And once done, you can get into your iPad now. Here is a tip. If your other iOS device had login with the same Apple ID and your iPad can connect to the internet, you can unlock it with Find My. Just select your iPad model and click Erase iPad will be found. If neither of those options works, then you can try using a computer for the next step. Method 3. Get into a locked iPad without the password with iTunes. For iTunes, connect your iPad to the computer and put it into recovery mode. Launch iTunes, select Restore from the menu, and let the restoration process run. It'll take about 35 minutes. But my iTunes will prompt me an error every time and ask me to restart, so I can't even record the full process. That's why I always use 4U to do this. Method 4. Get into a locked iPad without the password with Tenorshare 4U. This software can effortlessly bypass all iPad passcodes and need no condition we mentioned before, and it works for all iOS devices. Here I'll show you how to use it. Open the program and connect your iPad. Select Start and follow the guides to enter recovery mode. Download the firmware. Click Start to remove to eliminate all passcodes. Then you can get into it painlessly. And there you have it. Thanks for watching today's video. Link in below if you want to try it. For more helpful tips like this, don't forget to subscribe or click on another video to keep the learning going. And see you in the next video.